This Vermonga 11 inches nonstick granite coating frying pan aims to be a helpful tool in your kitchen. It has a nonstick surface. This surface is made with a granite coating. Because of this, your food should slide off easily. You can cook eggs and other things without them sticking. This Vermonga 11 inches nonstick granite coating frying pan can make cooking simpler. This pan is also designed with your health in mind. It is PFAS-free and PFOA-free. These are chemicals that you might not want in your food. So, this Vermonga 11 inches nonstick granite coating frying pan is a healthier choice for making omelets and other dishes. It works well on both gas stoves and electric burners. Plus, cleaning up is easy because it is dishwasher safe. You can also just wipe it down with a towel after use. Overall, the Vermonga 11 inches nonstick granite coating frying pan seems like a practical pan for daily cooking. It offers a nonstick surface and is easy to clean. It is also made without certain harmful chemicals. This pan could be a good addition to your kitchen things, especially if you cook eggs or need a reliable nonstick skillet. It might not perform magic, but it should help you with your daily cooking needs. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: nonstick, granite coating, PFAS-free, PFOA-free, healthy, omelet pan, gas stove safe, electric burner safe, dishwasher safe, daily cooking 11-inch size, skillet. Cons: unknown long-term durability, only 20 reviews available. One review noted poor quality, not as pictured in one review. Size might not suit all needs. Quality not as good as pricier pans. 1 review mentioned return due to size. Limited number of customer ratings. Fake spot analysis has limited data. Non-stick coating lifespan is finite. Features: PFAS and PFOA free, healthy for cooking, omelet pan use, gas stove ready, electric burner okay, dishwasher safe. For daily cooking, home kitchen use. This Vermonga 11-inch frying pan has a nonstick granite coating and is made without harmful chemicals called PFAS and PFOA. So it's a healthy choice for cooking. It's great for making omelets and can be used on both gas and electric stoves. Plus, it's safe to put in the dishwasher, which makes cleaning up easy after you cook your everyday meals at home. The Vermonga 11 inches frying pan has a nonstick granite coating and is advertised as PFAS and PFOA free, making it a healthy option for making omelets and for daily cooking on gas and electric stoves. It is also dishwasher safe. However, with only 20 reviews, long-term durability is uncertain, and one review noted poor quality and that the pan was not as pictured. Other feedback suggests the size might not suit everyone and the quality isn't as good as more expensive pans, with one customer returning it due to size. Fake spot analysis has limited data on this product, and it's important to remember that all non-stick coatings have a limited lifespan.